them, you know. Me see some people that say Cartel Grammy in another quality Grammy. Why nominate him?
Hey, y'all, come look at this.
That's why when the distributor say she need a EP, we just put some song together and formulate them and just say, yo, hold this. He never take me 2 hours to do that.
Why you nominate him then? Why you nominate Vybz Kartel if him album now no quality? Eh? Why you nominate a man where you try for do? What you try for do? For Style My General? I try or not try Style My General for nominate him. We don't fuck with people them. Eh? You nominate Kartel with Keznamdi, then Keznamdi when the blood clot do not journey in the music and not do nothing for music. Yeah.
A few moments later.
The man them, big man thing. Some of the man them out here, where I represent Vybz Kartel. Wanna make Gaza look away. And I don't like it. Enough of them run out on a cost for. Bro, what a cost for? Me don't understand what I do, no. No joke. I know disrespect. What a cost for?
May I represent for one Media Fox.
Media Fox. How the latest news them lock. Media Fox. Trending, nah stop. Media Fox. How the latest report them.
No, Media Fox, you know, no thing set, you know. Yeah, man. People, I tell about them Gaza mentality, you know. See? You have some good Gaza fans, you have some good Gaza people. Yeah. You have some good, kind of everything you have, good and bad. But you see them man, brother. You see how them talk? If them they have control of certain things, the culture mash up. The way how them talk. Yeah, tell you that. Them feel like say one man alone for achieve something in a dancehall or reggae. Them bring down everybody, the whole genre, just to prep up a man. You understand? Remember the Cartel silent, you know, and them man out here rant and all of these things. You understand? But Vybz Kartel top vlogger, Gaza uncle, seeing him run out. I put them in a them place. Nuffy and one Kevin, but after the video, we not go hear what go on with him say. Seeing, but we're gonna play that clip and hear what Nuffy say.
Grammy. If then if you no artist Grammy, it's sound better than the boss Grammy. I'm sure the teacher not to sound a fool. The bag of people them on the page just crooks. Alright?
So basically crooks in the chat at diss him up wicked, I make him get so emotional.
Then if you boss crooks, album it sound better than the boss. And then them say. That's why them nominate the general. And then afterwards, you see them in the comment section. I say the boss album is sound good and a quality album and already. Then why him in the nomination? Why him in the nomination? You know why him in the nomination? Because I'm the bigger artist, I'm the star, I'm the boss, I'm the general. When an artist can't bring no weight. When an artist now no weight. So you see which pound I think now and I show me go.
But Nuffy, you know say links Cartel having at the Grammy thing, brother. That's why I'm nominated 2 times, bro. You understand? Because it shows you say your nomination is not really nothing. Let me tell you this. The Grammys look at nomination like nothing. It's just alright, it's a wild card. That's all, bro. Are we really fancy over the nominated thing? Bro, who win? You understand? Somebody get nominated, them not even the big artists them out there. When them get nominated, brother, I don't prep up that. I win them one win, brother. So it shows a nominated thing is nothing, bro. If them nominated Cartel 2 times and the man not win, brother, what that show you say? The man have links in the Grammy album thing. People who are putting in the work whatsoever. Plus him a market himself over in the United States. Them see him a tour and all of them little thing there. You understand? Them just a see him. Cause I remember saying back then him never did a market himself worldwide like that. Because him couldn't go these places and do interviews and all of them little thing there. Remember that, bro. So all if Masicka or whatsoever what them attack. Yeah, we know Masicka stay already. Them love run with people project and all of them little thing there. But for them not do that. Seeing? But at the end of the day, you have to have no member we in the Grammy, a member who put in a thing, submit a thing, get some links, make some talk for you so you get nominated. Cartel have that. He have more than 1 people, brother. That's why you see him nominated 2 times. You understand? So not because you get nominated means so you have to win the Grammy. Because I see him links them put you in there. But when it reaches to the bigger heads, the bigger up there, at this or the nitty-gritty start. The man them out there promote themselves and have the team behind it. You see, man, they want to see with the white people, them are put in the work, them have to sit down on the Grammy board. You know how much big artists them throw off at the scale? You understand? You know how much big artists out there where them throw off at the scale? But we're not too hear about it in the meeting, because private thing them there. Enough big artists cause I say, yo, how them not get Grammy and them get the best this. So it's nothing new, bro. You understand? But because uno nah pre the music, brother, uno nah pre quality and all of them like a thing. They can see Cartel, True Cartel just drop an album. Yo, him have to win. Uno DC boss, because uno pre man, brother. Grammy no pre man, bro. You understand? Grammy no care about who Vybz Kartel is. You see what me I try to say? Yeah, them know say I do it and all of them like a thing there. No mean say, yo, a Vybz Kartel that you know me, I give him a Grammy. And that with uno, bro. Uno no learn the music, uno no learn the marketing and all of these things. How to market yourself. That's why we get left behind because we are use feelings in the thing.
As somebody album on after the pan. If you take hype off a people album, Keznamdi win the album and who no say win album with him. That no count. A man with the album and a film him come and go collect it, and him win. If Andrew Nelson win the album and me win the album. And if me even have a feature on the album, I know them win the album and my album. So come off of my blood clot page, but not show up here, crux, fucking idiot like $100. Why him never nominated then? Why them never use him then? Since he's so powerful, why them never use him?
Yo, me tell you about them money, you know. Them money we rip Gaza, you know. Them money are weak, you know, bro. Them, you see when you see them have a high emotional reaction, them weak. So you that they are reason and the crux them in I think. And you are getting your feelings, bro, because I want man. Eh? Brother, when if we just go sit down, dog, I better not just low internet.
Bitch, you know, on my page with a blood class full self. Why them never use him then? Why them never use him to put against Lila Alkia, Keznamdi, and Jesse Royal? Why them never put him on? Eh? Where film influence there? What kind of influence him have? Me only I tell Grammy stop blood clot one like you want to use me general. See?
Yo, them brother don't understand certain things, you know. The man say, yo, Grammy for stop use Cartel. Bro, Johnny Fix, one youth did I do some project for Cartel, brother. The man say, yo, Cartel, them the things say Cartel are one of them drugs man there. You understand? We just fought from prison. You see, the whites. That them things say my son man, them never really know who really is Vybz Kartel. Brother, them people in a different world, bro. You understand? You look at dancehall there, so them don't know certain things about this, brother. You understand? And that you don't realize, but use. Brother, it's just a nomination that, bro. Once you have your links in a Grammy, then we just put you a thing. Remember, say I know Cartel alone are submitting at hundreds of artists, you know. You understand? 80 I do much submission, you know. And just because Cartel have the links in the Grammy links, I saw it boil down so him get pan 5. I remember say the 4 album where they pan it, a reggae type of artist them. A Cartel alone a dancehall artist with the dancehall vibes, bro. Cartel do that project and just show it. Him distributor just say, yo, Ray, and him just give them that. You understand? Him himself know, brother. Cartel himself know him never did a go win, bro. You understand? Because the people them tell him how the Grammy thing set. We all know that for years. So I don't know the bag of balling, bro. Me tell you the Gaza system thing, you know, no feel like so no can program everybody for do whatever them for give Vybz Kartel this or whatever, bro. You understand? I saw no move when you just try to bring down everybody, bro. Cause first of all, the thing we not doing in media, I don't even know, brother. We don't know if them people are watch what go on. You understand? And see how we not behave, brother. You see it? Cause rather than we no congrat, come remember in a reggae and dancehall same way, congrat the people them, brother. You understand? But you no prefer just bring it down. I wanna make the Gaza thing look away, dog. We don't make our own artist thing look away. Because you know found out and bring down the whole of the artists them, the whole of the giant them. For Cartel, bro. You understand?
We don't nominate the bomber clot boss and the man do so much.
Here what I mean by so much. Here now.
The man have the best history. The man have the best influential. The man sell the quickest ticket over everybody. Even artists in America. The man have the most sold out show and the artists came and sold out a show.
Brother, you think say solo? May I tell you them? Let me tell you, it's when them man attack people, them lack of knowledge, back of class. You think say a solo show win Grammy? How the blood class? Brother, you think Grammy business about that? You think a solo show win Grammy, brother? You sick in your head, bro. Me tell you, say you're in a small little world now, one little matches box, you know. You understand? I know say it work, bro. I know say it work. Remember, say you have big artists out there with a solo show. Bigger crowd than Vybz Kartel, brother. You understand? Yeah, Kartel are the way I do. You see what I try to say, I never did about. You see it. But una feel like say Grammy fi just give a man because he ma tour, he ma do this, he ma do arenas and sell ticket. Bro, me I tell you no youth, no dangerous.
See that who not chat can't sold out arena, you put them in it, them can't sell 10,000 tickets properly. Don't know about that size up with my blood clot bastard. I mean, one thing with me, you know. Afterwards, them can't say what them are saying and do what them are doing. But me forward come defend my blood clot brother, you know. My boss and my brother at the same time, you know, because I tell them a good bumbo clot youth I want to do. Suck on yourself, boy. I tell them I'm really out. Them youth, they are really out. Despite all of them want to say. See, Donald Trump's around the place and him doing one today. So we're not trying blood clot, say. Eh? How much president coming up with them do what they want. Even the government blood clot at Jamaica, them not do what they want to do. So if you not blood clot create a stigma upon my boss, that's suck on the mother. Eh? That's suck on the mother. Sometimes you have to toughen at this and nobody come go on like you're a punk. But that's me see you go on. Them a wolf for them harder. The people them who run the Grammy, a wolf for them half and how them behave. Oh, this man, yeah, me not cost the youth, you know. Me not cost the youth, but me still have a cost him. At the end of the day, how the man win Grammy? Why the reason for him win with Grammy? Why the reason? Why the reason for this man to win Grammy? Eh? One out of me say I'm better. I don't even know the song where the man have. See? The last 5 artists will win Grammy don't make no blood clot sense. The last 5 artists will win Grammy don't do nothing for music, don't help music.
People, you see what I tell you? You see what I tell you? Them people are not in a society. I tell you this. Them people are bad for the culture, dog. See? Because Keznamdi in the reggae world, him have the reggae fans, right? But you, them not listen to them money, you know. So that's why in them mind, yo, them money not do nothing, them not do this, them not do that. You understand? Because you know why? Uno in this world, lifestyle, man a do this, one man a do this, a them type of world they uno in, bro. But you are gonna say the last 5 people will win Grammy. Them not do nothing for the culture. Them not contribute nothing, brother. These are the same thing. That brother yeah, say we deal with alkaline, say no do nothing for dancehall. Brother, you see them type of mindset, bro? Them thing a bring down culture, brother. You understand? Rather than you say yo, you know, do it conjure, but because of Vybz Kartel, you feel like say, yo, a cartel that him for just get Grammy. And them people that were put in the work promote themselves for just stay over there, so. You understand? Bro, this is not a love man mentality, brother. The Grammy not under the Gaza system, bro. You always use this thing to feel like say, yo, Kartel is this highly and mighty, brother. Yeah, Kartel a great artist. But you push this narrative, bro. You prefer bring down the whole culture for Kartel, brother. You understand? I bring down the artists and I say them not contribute nothing. What him do? What him do for the music, all of them little things. Bro, no for stop it, bro. You understand? Stop it. That's why I tell you, say, you don't love music, you know. A man you don't love in a dog. Because you wouldn't have found out and attack them things, you know. You talk about you don't know album, you don't know this. Brother, you don't listen reggae. I dance all you listen to, brother. So you got to talk about this and the man them not do this and the man them have them fans out there. Not because the hype not there around the man them. Not because the hype there around Kartel. You understand? And this are the thing them want to do, bro. You understand? That's why I always say, if them man they all control certain things, bro, me I tell you, brother. It'll bring down the genre, because everybody fall into them line, bro, the man them bring them down. Imagine the man them win Grammy to Rotted and look how the man them are going. Look how the man them are going. Kartel just stay silent and there, yeah. The man not even go Grammy. And the man them want bring down the artists them. I say 5 artists win Grammy. Them not do nothing, them not do this. Bro, me tell you, a dangerous youth. You're not good for your culture, dog.
The last 5 artists will win Grammy. Name them and tell me, people. The last 5 artists will win Grammy don't do nothing for reggae music. You know, help it. It not do.
What you talk about? Brother, you're sick in your head, man. You're sick in your head. Remember, say, the Bob Marley project, a lot of different artists depend on it. You have Kibaka. You have, I think, Coffee. Morgan Heritage, them. Bro, no for stop it, bro. Stop it, brother. Because at the end of the day, them money contribute to reggae / dancehall, bro. You understand? Enough of them people, yeah. You understand? You don't want people for congrat for the contribution where Vybz Kartel put in the game. Right? Because him alone do it. You have other artists out there. But you can't congrat the artists them will contribute to the culture, brother. You understand? And that with you only want Kartel alone to achieve something. And him alone forget this. If him don't get it, a problem. Bring down time. Brother, enough easy on yourself, dog. You understand? It doesn't make the artist thing look away, brother. You see me? You have good Gaza fans out there, and you have someone who are just trash. Bring down them now have nothing progressive if put credible upon the artist. They make the artist thing look bad. Imagine Grammy and tune in to all of them look craziness, yeah. And Keznamdi family and all of them look thing. They don't even make things worse for the artists, you know. When me soon diss up the Marleys, them and all of them people there, you know, bro. If them people are part of the system when the Grammy, brother, and them see all of them things, brother, how no expect for no level just reach up there, brother? When not talk down upon the people, man, no congrat them, man. No sense, brother. No sense you have.
Nothing. Can you imagine I get up this morning and you say Vybz Kartel win the Grammy? This upward Grammy no fool, no bum buckler. Grammy. I don't know how to set up on the thing, but if anybody want to give the reggae part, make decision for who win Grammy, please fire them. Please fire them. They are beg or no. Them are do this almost 10 years now. 10 years. And Grammy don't get no recognition. If you don't notice, the Grammy have reggae award. And nobody in the reggae award don't get a lifetime treatment award, don't get nothing from the Grammy. No Bersa man no get nothing, no Sizzler no get nothing, no Buju no get nothing, no Capleton no get nothing, nobody no get nothing. You see them do that to other people all the time. But in America.
Bro, you not understand, you know. You don't feel like say everybody know everybody. Remember, you know, bro. Different management, different people on the board, things change, bro. You understand? Them people are not in the Grammy face every day. Some of them don't even mark it back over themselves or reinvent themselves or something. You understand? Grammy look on things where them a see. Where them see a go on. No. You understand? That's the problem. We don't understand. Come and know a member on the Grammy. Man say, yo, brother, them don't know Berisa, man. You understand? There's a lot of things could happen, bro. The marketing, the TV station, all of them look a thing there. Them people in a different world in a dog. You don't feel like say everything will go big out of Jamaica, everybody see it. You don't realize some people in some different part of the world, bro. Some different part of the world. And somebody have to recommend it to them. You understand? And sometimes people recommend it to them and it still no connect to them, brother. Because sometimes them not understand. It not enough for them world. Them just work with what them know and who they around them and tell them some things. You understand? And quality music where you can listen to or them can put it on the next movie or something. Brother, you need to look into these things, brother. You understand? Stop use this prison sensation thing and shows and all of them thing there, brother. Brother, everybody I do shows, bro. All who were bigger than Kartel in the game, I do shows. You understand? And them still now get recognition. So think twice, brother. You understand? Come out on the feelings, bro. You see it? And just make a thing worse, look worse with Kartel, brother. You see me? Imagine Grammy pull up or somebody say to them and say, yo, I see that Vybz Kartel fans is tearing down the Grammy or tearing down who win the this and brother, somebody tell me no sense, you know. You don't read the room, dog.
Eh? You want to see them do that? You understand? I'm a block person. Yeah, man, block your drunk up. Yeah, I want to find anybody but talking nothing against my boss. I'm block on the block till I make a fight.
People, I tell you, you know, the man is emotional, bro. It's all about a man, not music. You see me? That me I tell you, people. All about a man. The emotions and the thing them where man them put. You see, only when you not understand certain things or your IQ low, you have a high emotion buzz. You understand? Them man, yo, when it comes to Kartel, yo, a God. But them not understand, them not want understand, them not want know the metrics. Them just want forward. If you this the boss, or you know give the boss this, feed them boss, yo, this the boss, yo, this brother, go sit down with the emotions, bro. Una mash up Kartel brand. You understand? Una, brother. You see what I try to say about people? I see Vybz Kartel Vlogga run out. See? Yeah, man, want to know hear where Masicka. He ma cuss Nuffy and he ma cuss one Kevin. Because I don't know what see man make a Vybz Kartel get lion with you. You understand? But I want to know hear where I say about them, man.
The man them, big man thing. Some of the man them out here, where I represent Vybz Kartel. Wanna make Gaza look away. And I don't like it. That style I want to go to the cost Grammy. I'm glad I'm not on my channel or nobody from my channel. Because no way on earth is supposed to out there and cost Grammy. Where you cost Grammy for? You don't know Grammy work. And then you know all of the people that know the music business. You see me? We don't like that. I tell the honest truth. I don't like them somebody. We don't like that. And I really talk me, I tell you, we don't like that. Man must talk some madness and some stupidness. One Kevin I say Marley produce the album. Marley don't produce the man album. You want to get them story from? Marley don't produce the man album. Stop make up them story, Virgin. Them something that look good. When I do them something, I run up and down them something that look good. When I stop saying them something, Marley don't produce the man album. Who want to get that story from? Who make up that? Enough of them run out on a cost for. Bro, who not cost for? I don't understand what I do, you know. No joke. I know disrespect. Who not cost for? I not this. No. Can't say who not rep Gaza. Bro, who not cost Grammy for? Who not cost Grammy for? Bro, Vybz Kartel not even got the award. Who not cost Grammy for? Vybz Kartel did pass through my channel and him explain everything. Him say, I'm publicist say, just put out something. I'm just put something together and put it out. Him not promote it. Him not do nothing. Not even we did not promote it or do nothing. Him just have some songs and put it together. Because him have a whole heap of songs and just put it out. It's still a good album. But at the end of the day, why not out here cuss? You see Kartel post Grammy or nothing from that happen? You not read the ball game or what? Are we the fans would have want him win? That's something I want to do that make a sense. I understand how the niche at TikTok and them something they work, you know. I understand. Now if you make a lot of noise and talk what not know and talk some things about the music or not no knowledge of. Me understand. But if you get up and cuss Grammy and make noise and cuss Keznamdi and what have you, them something not gonna win, brother. Them something they make Gaza look weak, brother. Wanna get up and cuss Grammy for? That makes sense?
I tell you, people. Ah, boy. Them money, I tell you, people, it just is a disgrace. I tell you. Them money, of course, Grammy. And of course, the artist will win the Grammy. I say him no contribute to reggae, him no contribute. Where him do? Nobody no know this. Ray. Them money no want nobody prosper. Me I tell you that. If them money, they have the power. Me I tell you that. I can't tell alone for everything. Them money no want see no other youth rise. Me I tell you. Them only want Kartel alone. If you hear them meds, them always say a narrative. Them money no contribute nothing. You understand? Them money no contribute nothing to your music, nothing to dancehall, nothing to reggae. I saw them money talk. Brother. Just because them inner feelings for your next man. You understand? And where them the expect, the artists no get it. This is what them do. Them a cause the whole Grammy. You understand? You hear project put out, scene, and this are the thing. Them don't know music and them don't know quality music. Because them brain only lodge up a be a trash. You understand? Because me tell them already, you know. The thing what you call quality music. You see when it reach up to the higher people, them label it as trash. One of the things say quality. When it go up there, so a bottom of my barrel. So them big heads there in a Grammy, when them listen to them something, yeah, one might say, yeah, it's a good album. Because the majority of uno don't know about music, uno don't know about mixing, uno don't know about putting word together, the story, the this, the that. Uno don't know nothing. Uno only know for this people, for your man, that I wanna know. You understand? Which them people that opening a Grammy no business. You could not sell out 100 millions of shows and ticket. It's still not change the price of the rice. You understand? So to get that in the head, bro. You see me? Kartel just dash a album and give distributor, and she maybe she was a member of the Grammy, or she have links in the Grammy will make him get nominated. You understand? If all of the dancehall artists are the people them, they have links, can remember are where the people them see out there. Kartel just fought from prison, he might do the arena them, mark it back himself, so the people them are go see him. You notice say him are the only dancehall artist project where they on it, and the other rest of them are reggae, because the whole of them are one team. I show an example. Look on these people. You don't see this? Look on the type of people them. So if you see white over to the left, majority, and black over to the right, is a team of people, project, mixers, distributors, all of them thing there. The whole of them, because when it reach up to the big heads them, I know nothing normal. You will put in all work, promotion, everything, and when it reach up there, the man them say, yo, what this? You put that one side. You get mad and just walk out. You understand? So it's a team. How many projects and artists and so we have a team like this? or people in the industry for steer we, for produce the music for when it go up to the biggest them in a Grammy, them can say, yeah man, this deserve the win. How many of the artists them in the business have them type of mentor and people around them for even worthy for the Grammy? You understand? Where we have a connection, all of these things. And that's how it work, bro. We just I do things because of name and that's how it work. You understand? Quality, it have to have every clicks, every different members. You understand? Because you have different level of members in the thing. And everybody have to check off your thing for you reach to that level there. Why you see? You hardly can find. The reason why the dancehall artists them back then could have win, you know. Like Shabba them and all of them man, the Sean Paul and Shaggy. The man them have the big label. I push them. Label I play a major part in the Grammy back then. You understand? Maybe and now too. You understand? It's just that enough of the artists them out and really too sign like that. Nah, sign no big like full house label scale and all of them. I just more like some little album thing, distributor deal and all of them little thing there. But then it's a full house scale. The man you control the music, you interview, you show them, you had everything them control. Right? So Shaggy and Sean Paul, them man they win Grammy, the label put in the work. They make the connection in the Grammy. Them know the Grammy heads everything. That's why them could have win as a dancehall artist. But then Shabba them, the whole of them. Because the links and the label and everything back then. We know in this little generation, you know, we don't have that. We don't have that team there and all of them little thing there for put we up to that level there, bro. These are the things we're supposed to prepare and have into consideration. We can't use feelings and get everything, bro. Rather than a cuss Grammy and all of them little thing there, brother. We should have put in the work and try find some way. Make some connection with some people. Market yourself. We not even market to oneself. Hear the man say, Kartel not even market the album. The album never market it. It never, you understand? It never promote it, not do nothing. So how the people them go recognize the album? And put it to that level there. You understand? The only reason why, because enough people, you feel like say a quality make the album they get nominated? No. Remember the corruption and the thing same way. Are the links make Kartel getting nominated 2 times. Him have people there. We are putting in the work and the talk for him. That's why that is not because of the product. You understand? So no get that in an head, work on the career, dog, and make it to that level there. Market to yourself. Get some team, get some people where put in some word for you and all of them little thing there. Yeah, I need to work for you. You see me? But people, when you don't know a media fax in one media fax in big up on yourself, when you don't know a thing said, that is it.